Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find spa and fitness locations in the Ceasar's rewards application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look down below and in the middle you will find the do and see section. Press on it and you can see up there that we are currently in the dining section, and you should swipe to the right. And there you will find the last option, which is spa and fitness. Press on it and here you will be able to find spa and fitness locations. You can check out one of them if you like, if you would like to, and you can see basically in which intervals it is open, basically when it opens and when it closes, and you can read about it shortly here and check it out in the Google Maps if you want to. And if you like the place and everything, you can also make a reservation down below. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.